Danke bafowethu. So ngifuna ukuthi sikhulumeni ngepolitiki kancane namhlanje yabo. So ayikho i-president ezosave abantu on the ground. Ayikho i-political party ezosave abantu on the ground. Ama-communities wona kumele ahlangane akwazi ukusizana, aqala ama-organisation bahlanganise something ukuthi bakwazi ukusizana bona. So mawuzolinda i-political party or i-politician ukuthi lizokusave, niyolinda u-60 years bafowethu, ayikho into ezoshintsha on the ground yabo. Asithi for example like estradini senu noma emgwaqeni wenu nenkinga yama-pothole yabo, ukuthi imigwaqo ayivaliwe, nilinda ama-political parties ukuthi anisize, ngeke niyostruggle for the next 90 years. Kumele nina as a-community yalapho ngoba yini eney'moto, yini enisebenzisa lowo mgwaqo, tholani i-plan ukuthi nithele ihlabathi lapho noma nenze something like nihlangane as a-community. If like kunenkinga nikwazi ukuhlangana. So ama-communities awadingi u-government, but-ke ukuba lazy kithi ezabantu yabo, ukuthi hayi solinda i-ANC, solinda i-DA, solinda inini. Guess what, labo bantu laba bana-interest ukuthi ba-improve impilo yenu yabo. So mawubheka kahle ama-political figures lawa important ngempela, abuye emakhaya, abuye emalokishini, ubheke la babuya khona ukuthi kuney'nkinga ey'ngakanani. Umuntu akakwazi ukulungisa ilokishi lakhe noma i-village yakhe, yena wakhe i-mansion kuleyo village leyo, but omakhelwane bakhe izindlu zodaka. So ngitshela ukuthi lowo muntu loyo onendlu eworth boma-hundreds of millions or 20 millions plus security and stuff like that, i-value yakhona inkulu kakhulu, but akakwazi ukwakhela abantu aba-around yena ama-2 room, 3 room or 4 room yabo, uzo-improve i-country lowo muntu loyo? Never bafowethu. So bakhona abantu abangena kupolitiki uthole ukuthi banama-intention a-right ukuthi okay bazotshintsha iy'mpilo zabantu, bona bazoba right, but once they get inside bayabona ukuthi i-system is bigger than them, ngeke bakwazi change i-system ukuthi isebenza kanjani ne-corruption ekhona lapha phakathi yabo. So into abantu kumele bayenze, kumele bahlangane bona kuma-communities wabo ukuthi bakwazi ukusizana ngokwabo. Walinda ipolitiki, walinda i-political party, yolinda forever. It is sad ukubona ukuthi like as a nation silinda ama-political figures or ama-political parties ukuthi yasimanipulate every election, bathi abantu bazotshintsha iy'mpilo zabantu, but-ke just bona yazi khona into the way aba-curate izinto ngakhona, abakhuluma ngakhona, uyathemba na ukuthi lo muntu uzoshintsha ngempela impilo yethu. I was interviewing different people just before ama-elections. I have over 100 interviews engiwenzile nabantu baku-EFF, baku-ANC, baku-DA. There's something that I learned ukuthi they don't know what's happening on the ground. Even if bayazi, they don't care. But bona the most important thing kubo, they are selling i-image yabo, bathengisela abantu iphepha elingekho. Kufana nokuthi bathi ulinde into bathi yabona la esakeni kuna something, ikhona lento le la, nawe uyithenge yabo, bakuthengisela into engekho. At the end of the day ngeke bakulide. So mina I was thinking ukuthi abantu abahlala boma-Bryanston, Sandton, Steyn City, boma-Stellenbosch, yabona nje boma-Port Alfred, lapho labantu abahlala aba-rich, bengicabanga ukuthi yibo abantu aba-right ukuthi bangalida i-country ukuthi iye endaweni e-right. Guess what, labo bantu laba banandaba, noma kuthiwa banayo indaba bayafuna ukusiza, but ngeke ulide i-community ongayazi. Ngeke ukhulele e-Steyn City or ukhulele e-Sandton ulide e-Alexandra, akwenzeki, because awu-connect nabantu base-Alexandra on the ground yabo. So awuhlali nabo labantu awubaboni, awuzazi iy'nkinga zabo, uzokwazi ukubalida kanjani abantu ongazazi iy'nkinga zabo ukuthi badila nani everyday yabo. So ziningi kakhulu izinto ekumele zishintshe, but-ke ubheke nalapho, okay, labantu laba aba-rich ngeke bakwazi ukulida emalokishini because abazi ukuthi emalokishini kwenzakalani, abazazi iy'nkinga zasemalokishini. Then kuba umuntu ohlala elokishini ozibonayo iy'nkinga everyday, but athole ithenda noma athole something yoku-improve ilokishi leli ahlala kulo, athole lowo 100 million abaleke nayo yonke, ayothenga iy'moto Lamborghini, sekohlala kuphi e-Sandton, uyakhohlwa iy'nkinga. Not necessarily ukuthi uyakhohlwa, uyazazi iy'nkinga zaselokishini, but uthi hayi bayabheda lapha. Why? Because i-corruption seyinormal e-South Africa. Like khona umuntu ukhwabanise like i-200 million, aphiwe i-bail ye-1 million, uzibuza ukuthi yenzakala kanjani into eso. But-ke kule video le into engithanda ukuyisho nje overall njengoba sengivala ukuthi ayikho i-political party ezosave abantu, ayikho i-president ezosave abantu, akekho umuntu ozosave abantu, but i-community ngokwayo kumele ibambane yabo, ibumbane. Kufanele ngenze example eSoweto, abantu baseSoweto baseZola, if bafuna ukulungisa iy'nkinga zaseZola, kumele bona bahlangane as i-community, bayekele ukucleva, bayekele ukuthi bawoma-timing, basidile ney'nkinga zaku-community yabo. Kumele as abantu ukwazi uku-improve i-community okuyokuqala before ucabanga ukulida e-region, before ucabanga ukulida i-province, i-country yabo. If you can't lead la ubuya khona espacini esincane, if you can't lead like ngeke uhlule kuba inhloko yomuzi kwakho mhlampe kwangubani uthi wena uzolida isigodi sonke, akwenzeki bafethu. Yiba i-good leader kwakho kuqala before ucabanga ukuba i-leader abantu around wena. Ngeke ukuthi awukwazi ukuba ubaba o-right ukuthi wena uzoba i-father of the nation, it's not happening, yabo. But-ke ezabantu bafowethu, I think we have to be more of individual thinkers, ukuthi hlezi thina sizifunela ama-solutions wethu, not ukuthi sibheke ama-solutions outside, like from government, from ama-political figures, from abanye abantu ukuthi bazosave. Ngekho umuntu ozokuseva mfowethu, kumele usukume wena uzisave, yabo. But kuqala ngawe i-step, nanokuthi-ke ukubuilda i-nation e-strong qala ngabantu aba-individual ukuthi bakwazi ukuma. La bantu laba abacabanga ngokufana, abane-common thinking, whatever the word may be, kuqala ngabo labo bantu labo ukuthi ba-recruit abanye abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukushape i-nation, because the South Africans are powerful, they are able to hlangana or to hlanganisa things. Yabo etshwaleni ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuhlanganisa kanjani, uyabona ukuthi ba-strong ngempela, but they can't hlangana when it matters the most. That is why register abantu abayi-26 million ukuvota, but almost 10 million abayanga kuma-voting polls. Siyazi ukuthi kube ney'nkinga, but abanye bebasemsebenzini bebahlalela bathi nca ngeke ngivote. But-ke